السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. اللهم صل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آل سيدنا محمد وبارك وسلم. Welcome to Usman Nizami channel. In this video, we are going to learn a good habit, and we should stop from bad habits. So, what is that good habit? So, in the world there is one famous book. That book name is 1001 Nights. In that book, and it in Arabic language, it is called Alif Laila wa Laila. So in that book, maximum stories are written on the animals and birds. Directly, they did not tell this is the habits of people, but actually in this in that book, whatever the habit of a man or woman, the habit of a person, they narrate as a bird. So in this video, there are two animals. One is a bird, one is an animal, one is a fox. So always we know that fox wants the benefit itself only, and there is a one crow. Those who are whatever others are telling, they are listening and they are following them. So this is going on in our daily life. So whatever we are watching, the ads, so those who are the owners, they are becoming they are becoming millionaires. They are becoming the crorepati. But what about us? So we are earning very less amount, but seeing this in these ads, we are spending thousands of rupees. If we have the money, no problem. But if we don't have the money, so unnecessary we are spending. Reason? Because we are watching in the ads. So many, and also the main thing is that those who are playing the gamble, like a IPL, their Dream 11. So they are showing that, see, these persons in a one single day they become they become the crorepati. No one is becoming. So they are okay, rich, but those who are playing the gamble, Islam is stopped from these bad habits. So in this small story, nice and good story is there. What is that story? So there is a one fox, and fox is hungry. So that fox saw a crow. A crow is sitting in the tree. Fox told that, "Oh crow, your voice is so beautiful. So you sing very nice and good songs." Actually, the fox wanted that piece which is in crow's mouth. So now crow became very much happy, and now that crow started to sing a song. So the crow started to sing, cow, 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 cow. Now that piece of meat which the cow took fell down, and now the fox took it and ran away. So in this nice and beautiful story, what is there? So it is happening in our days. Thousands of rupees we are spending on soap and on the cosmetics only. Which one is do not give us any kind of benefit. All those persons are getting benefits. So okay. So here is in this lesson, in this world, many persons are, so they are planning and they are getting the benefit, and unnecessary we are becoming the fool. The message of this story is that, see, this is your wealth and don't become the fool. Thank you for watching my videos. If you want to comment, please comment, please tell anything, and please remember me in your dua.